How you doing today, guys? I am going to teach you about the line segment tool. And the line segment tool helps you create lines, curved lines. You could call them paths in Illustrator also. This line segment tool, and we're going to create a tree. And so the line segment tool is right over here. And just click it once, come over. We're just going to click from the bottom here and drag up, and if you press shift it'll keep it locked in, okay? And if you try to take it around, you'll see that that blue line will go about 45 degrees in any angle, okay? Be stuck in 45 degrees, so you can lock it in. Right here we're just going to press shift just so we get a straight line, okay? And because we don't have a color to this, you can come over here, press this color palette here, and just choose black. Just make sure you're on your stroke down here or even up here, okay? Right now I feel like this line's a little thin, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to find my stroke panel, and we're going to take that up to about 5 or 6. There you go. 6 is good. Okay, and so we clicked, dragged up to make the line, then we added a color to it with the either the color guide or the color palette here, and there's also swatches. So if you go to window and go down to swatches, you'll get your swatches window as well. Okay, and with that said, we're going to go back over to our line segment tool, and we're just going to create some branches. So you're just going to click and drag out word and let and release, and it's going to create another line for you. If you click and drag again, it'll create another line for you, okay? And you can just keep doing this, and just so you could get some branches to feel of some, make this feel like there's some branches coming off of this to create this tree, okay? And we could go in and make sure that they're connected, right here and right here, okay? And so what I just did there is I took any one of these arrows, the selection tool or the direct selection tool, and you could go in and just zoom in so you can see. Say a deselect, and you can go in and click the ends of the paths on the points here and drag them anywhere you'd like. Okay, so you're not, once you make the line, you're not stuck. You can actually click on the point and drag it out anywhere you want. You could take this and put it anywhere you want. Alright, and I'm just going to create the ground for this image here that I'm creating, this little farm or little home I've created here, okay, using the segment tool. And now the segment tool is created out of 2 points, okay? So you can't have a line in Illustrator without having at least 2 points, okay? So what I'm about to do is you're gonna press and drag and press shift, but as you can see, the Smart Guides, which is that purple line, is helping you keep a straight line, okay? And you could also press shift in order to keep that line straight. And there you go. And we could make this line, make it a light green or something, okay? Or we can make it dirt. Alright, so, and there you go. That's the line segment tool, okay? And we've added a color to it. We've taken the stroke width or thickness up and we could take it down as well. But I'm just gonna make our dirt here, our ground, just a little bit thicker here, and it's gonna move that down. And in order to move your line, you could just click on the line and move it around. Okay, there you go. You just click right on the line, and without moving the points at all, you could just move the object around the page. Okay, and there you go. Um, this line segment tool. We're going to go into more paths later with the pen tool as well, and a few other tools, but that's the line segment tool, and I think you should have fun with that. Why don't you go in and add some lines to these windows and maybe create a door here, maybe create your own tree even. Okay, have fun.